Hello everyone, it's Tara. Hey, the holidays are coming. Yay, it's my favorite time of year. I am such a big kid at Christmas time, and I really hope that these holidays will be extremely special for you too. That brings me to a question though. Will this be a phenomenal holiday season for you? Or will it be a time of even added stress because your relationship is not where you want it to be? I hope that's not the answer, but if it is, I want to urge you to please give yourself the best gift you can, which is to go to the Relationship Rescue 911 FORLOVE.com. On this website, you're going to find out about the phenomenal program that I have available called Relationship Rescue 911 for Love. And this group program is 12 calls. We get together once a week and we discuss certain topics that I have emailed information about and a quiz or an evaluation or something to really get you to a place where you can understand exactly what it is and you can integrate exactly what it is that I'm teaching you. These topics that we go through are phenomenal. They evaluate your need structure, your spouse's need structure. You can definitely do this with children, siblings, coworkers, bosses, anyone. And what's so exciting is the information that you learn is not only used in your romantic relationship, but it can help a parent-child, a sibling, a coworker, a boss relationship. So I want you to go check it out. And if it's something that you're interested in, go ahead and sign up. Definitely share the link with those that you love that maybe you know that they're struggling a little bit too, but you just want to give them a little nurturing and let them know, you know what, I really care about you and I want to help you. I want you to have a great relationship so that you're not so stressed. And also, if you work at a company with 25 or more employees, the proof is in the pudding. There are numbers that show that this program and programs like it have increased companies' bottom dollar. So, their bottom line. So if that's you, if you are the HR, you're the CEO, you're the owner of a business of that size, definitely get in contact with me and we can do a 2-day seminar where I come in and we actually do the live program with your people and we work one-on-one with them. So I teach everything that I teach in this program, but I also do interactive talking and helping with problems right then and there. And so if that's something that's interesting to you, sorry, then go ahead and contact me through the website. Again, it's Relationship Rescue 911 FORLOVE.com. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very blessed holiday season. Ciao.